This is the Shimp DL-33 dual 50 milliwatt green laser, and it's got DMX compatibility. And I actually bought this after watching this fella's YouTube video. Now I'm going to show you how it works with the DMX controller and give you a bit more of an idea how it works. This is the DMX controller. Bought it from the same lot as the laser. It's a, says here the DMX 512, but on eBay it was listed as a 192 channel laser DMX controller. It's from a group called Aim and Star. They also sold me the Shimp DL-33 laser. They gave me a free cable with it, but I bought another one. You can get a 10 meter one for like, I don't know, $25 probably. This controller cost me $80 with $30 postage, $40 postage, and the laser cost me $180 with $50 postage, so that's like $230 to $240. And I'll just show you what they do. I got my smoke machine. It's a 900 watt smoke machine. Just takes the water-based smoke, except for it still sets off the smoke alarms. So you just cover it in glad wrap with an elastic band. Anyway, I'll show you how it works. So this is the DMX controller manual, and you can read through stuff there. I'm not up to programming yet. I'll get to that soon. This is the Shimp laser manual, and in here it tells you how it works. It's got all these little numbers here. Pretty much you got like your number selection here, which they call the bank, and you move your slider up and down, and it changes the number that you got in there. And depending on your light, it gets allocated a certain amount of numbers. And here it goes up to 255. That's the most amount of numbers you can have in this DMX controller. You can see 0 to 49, the laser's off, and then from numbers 50 to 99 is a static pattern mode, and then 100 to 50 is dynamic pattern, then sound active, and then auto. So that's on channel 1. So you look over here, you've got channel 1 slider. You have number 1 selected, that's your light. You've got to select your light, change your DMX mode on your light, so that's programmed in with this. That's really easy. You can check out other YouTube videos how to do that. So yeah, slide this up, change the number, slowly change it up. Yeah, that's on static mode. I got that on static mode. So that's static mode. And then from the static mode, you can change number 2 slider. Number 2 slider over here, channel 2, is the pattern selection. So there's 52 static and dynamic patterns that I can choose from 0 to 255. And you go down here, the static pattern 0 to 4 is a circle. This is 0 to 4 circles. So let's change this up a little bit. So 7, 14, 14. I don't know what pattern that is, but if you go over here, let's go 14. It's a dot circle. So let's go here, change it a bit more. What's that on here? It's on number 42. 42. It's that pattern. Come over here. 42. 45 degree diagonal. Yep. And so that's how that works. I'll take it back to circle because it's easier to show you from here. This is on static pattern still. In static pattern you can change a couple of things around. This slider, channel 3, you can change the... Is it going to do it? Yeah, there we go. It takes a while to kick in. Let's see that. I'm just moving the slider up and down. You can change the distance between the two lasers and where they're pointing. Like that. And so that's pretty cool. And then we got here, this slider here. I move this up and down, and it moves laser direction up and down. And over here, we got the next one along, which is channel 6, no 5. This is the best one. It changes the speed of the laser, how fast the motors move, and reflects the laser beam. So it makes it a lot stronger and stuff. And that one there makes more of like a flow, then it stops the flow. And this one here, that one, this channel here is number 6, sorry. That's for like it's called dynamic patterning. This one here, number 7, it changes how big the circle is. See that? Increasing it, decrease, increase, decrease, in, out, in, out. And just sliding this one here up and down. Just doing it. So what you can do is you can, I haven't done it yet, but obviously you can program into these buttons and you can probably make a flow of different patterns and stuff. But so you get your pattern like this one and then you save it into one of these and then you change pattern to that or that, whatever you want. Oh, that one there's pretty cool. But yeah, you change it, enter it into another one, then you can put on auto mode or something and then it'll like project all those different patterns so you can set up your show. I'll show you the next mode. So let's go to the dynamic mode. Dynamic mode, you can't change the, a bit more smoke happening. It's just a 900 watt smoke machine. Keeps pumping out. Doesn't look as good on camera, but I'll show you what it is. So it's in dynamic mode now. So I go over here, channel 2 slider, it's pattern selection. So channel 2 slider, slowly move it up, slowly change the numbers. It's on 14. That's that pattern. Let's go over here, 0 to 14, and dynamic pattern. It's a scan circle to big. So there you go. So it's circles scanning from small to big. And then let's look up a good one. We've got, this is on dynamic patterns. Circle jump, dodge circle. We got horizontal line jump, vertical line jump, vertical line. Let's go down here, line scan. That's probably one of the cool ones. So that is 115 to 119. That'll do. Slow that right down, speed it up, slow it down, go here, change the laser speed, speed it up, a bit of smoke, this one.